It's time for the truth. This might ruffle some feathers, but it's crucial for your success as a life coach. Let's talk about the shocking lie that is sabotaging your success. I've heard it time and again from countless experts in the coaching field. Life coaches don't need a brand to be successful. Don't you find it funny that many of these experts have rock solid, well-established brands themselves? Irony aside, I mean, it does sound pretty tempting, right? It seems like one less thing to worry about with the whirlwind of launching and growing your life coaching business. But here's the real deal. That advice is absolute garbage, and I'm here to break down what happens when you buy into this nonsense. I'm Mariah, the founder and creative director of Mariah Riona Branding, where my mission is to empower female coaches and online entrepreneurs with luxury branding. On this channel, I teach you how to build your brand, boost your online authority, and grow your audience so you can charge your worth and create a thriving business and a life you love. And if you want to learn more about positioning yourself as the unstoppable expert in your niche, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, I'm sharing 4 undeniable reasons why you shouldn't buy into the phony expert advice to skip branding and instead embrace it as your compass to prosperity. Ready? Let's jump in. 4 problems when life coaches believe this lie. Problem number 1, it stunts the growth of your life coaching business. Let's be clear, building a solid brand is the most important thing you can do for your coaching business. Imagine your coaching business as a flower, and your brand, it's the soil that allows your business to take root and thrive. Without that solid foundation, your growth potential is extremely limited. That's because a well-crafted brand isn't just about aesthetics. It's about sharing your values, your mission, and the unique solutions you offer. When your potential clients resonate with your brand, they're more likely to trust you and invest in your services. On the other hand, a lack of branding leaves you in a sea of sameness. This makes it impossible for you to stand out from your competition. So instead of shooting for the stars, you find yourself stuck, wondering why you're not making the progress you dreamed of. Problem number 2, it scares potential clients away from your life coaching business. We've all heard the saying, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Let's be honest, it holds a lot of truth, especially in the world of coaching. Imagine a potential client stumbling onto your life coaching business, whether it's on your website, social media platforms, or through word of mouth. What do they see? If it's a mishmash of visuals and messages that don't quite align, it sends a message of confusion. And let's face it, unprofessionalism. And when those leads are left feeling uncertain about what you offer or if they can trust you, the chance of engagement starts to dwindle. On the other hand, a high-end brand exudes the opposite: confidence and reliability. After all, luxury branding for coaches isn't just about a logo or a color scheme, it's a reflection of your commitment to your business. When clients see that you've put the thought and effort into your brand, they naturally assume they'll receive the same intentional care. Your consistent brand image becomes a sign that they're in capable hands. Suddenly, the idea of investing in your coaching becomes less of a leap and more of a confident step toward their growth. Give me a thumbs up down below if you'd like to see more of that energy in your business. Problem number 3, it keeps life coaches like you stuck playing small. Believing in your worth can be tough, to say the least. It feels a little bit like looking in a foggy mirror, and it's something we all have struggled with at some point as female entrepreneurs. But confidence isn't just about how you view yourself. It's about sharing your incredible skills with the world. And when your brand isn't shouting credible, self-promotion feels, well, even more awkward and embarrassing. So you avoid it entirely, right? And you don't feel legit enough to collaborate with your peers. The result? You stay in your comfort zone, missing out on lucrative opportunities. But it truly doesn't have to be this way. Here's a real life story of success. Remember Mandy? She's a cherished client who went from unsure to unstoppable after partnering with me for a rebrand. Mandy's brand became a beacon of confidence, proudly showing potential clients her expertise. Suddenly, they saw her as the expert she truly is. This transformation empowered her to show up, charge her worth, and shine. Want that same kind of success? Luxury branding is your golden ticket. It's how you break free from self-doubt and confidently embrace every possibility that comes your way. So let me hear it in the comments. If you want to replicate Mandy's transformation for yourself, type luxury brand leader down below. Problem number 4, it destroys the bottom line for life coaches. We're in the coaching world where trust and credibility are the currency that drives success. Your clients aren't just investing their money, they're investing their trust in your ability to transform their lives. So it's absolutely crucial that your brand conveys competence and professionalism. It should immediately greet your clients with a sense of trust. They should see you as the expert you truly are. This trust is what transforms their curiosity into commitment. When you're missing the trust factor, your revenue takes a hit. Think about it. Missed opportunities. Potential clients hesitate when your brand isn't a clear representation of your expertise. Hesitation often means missed chances that could have propelled your life coaching business forward. Clients going elsewhere. Without a strong brand to communicate your credibility, potential clients might turn to a coach who projects trustworthiness from the start. Undercharging and underselling. When your brand doesn't reflect your true value, you might find yourself undervaluing your services, which directly impact your income. Ultimately, it translates to a bottom line that falls short of your true worth. Can you see now why nurturing your trust should be your top priority? It's your golden ticket to attracting clients who wholeheartedly believe in your expertise and who won't flinch at investing in it. Crafting a thriving coaching business that leaves a lasting impact. Ensuring your financial security and prosperity because you deserve nothing less. And guess what? With the magic of luxury branding, this reality is well within your reach. So there you have it. Consider the myth debunked. Your branding isn't just an afterthought. It's the bridge connecting life coaches like you to potential clients and ultimately your lucrative future. As you stand there on the brink of your potential, remember that this is only the beginning. If you're eager for more insider wisdom and time-tested techniques, make sure to enroll in my free course, 5-Figure Clients. Inside, you'll uncover the secrets to crafting a life coaching business that consistently reaps the rewards you deserve. And if you're serious about committing to elevating your coaching business, I invite you to apply to my exclusive Luxury Brand Leader program. Imagine a complete 360-degree transformation, all within 90 days. If you're ready to embrace your role as an unstoppable force in your industry, apply to become a luxury brand leader today. Did you find this video helpful? Then you'll love this one too. You'll learn the 7 steps to building a high-end personal brand so you can start establishing rock-solid authority in your niche. And for more content on luxury branding for coaches, click the button below to subscribe to my channel. My videos are geared specifically toward helping life coaches like you thrive online. So I'll count on seeing you in the next one.